And the Illinois River has seen numerous floods over the decades, and now the Peoria Riverfront Museum has an exhibit that gives us some perspective. And Zach Hatcher joins us with how that exhibit connects Peoria to its history. Zach.
Yeah, thanks. I'm out here at the Spirit of Peoria, and with flooding being a really big topic, the Illinois River it has a museum in the Peoria Riverfront Museum, the Illinois River exhibit. Now, this exhibit has been around since the museum opened up. It features different locks and dams that show the different levels of water and how the boats pass to and fro the area. And this is actually an exhibit that has a whole area of downtown Peoria and shows how the river rises up and how that affects downtown Peoria.
You can see the levels of the flood and how they progressed into the downtown area that currently exists. You can also, with the locks and dams, you can interact with that, and the kids can play with the boats and create their own lock.
It's also a good exhibit for kids. It's an interactive exhibit where you can actually move the locks and dams around to show how the boats get back and forth to where they're going. Back to you in the studio.
All right, Zach, I know I've been there. I've actually experienced that for myself. It's a really cool exhibit if you want to check that out.